abstract objective. This study aims to describe and analyze the effectiveness and challenge of using social media as a medium for dakwah in Islamic religious education, particularly in engaging religious awareness. Introduction. Dakwah through social media is increasingly dominant phenomenon in Islamic religious education, effectively increasing religious awareness among the younger generation. The use of social media in dakwah allows information to speak correctly, but there is a risk that dakwah message can be distorted by media logic that does not always align with Islamic values. Abstrak tujuan peneliti ini bertujuan untuk mendeskripsikan dan menganalisis efektivitas serta tantangan penggunaan media sosial sebagai media dakwah pendidikan agama Islam, khususnya dalam meningkatkan kesadaran beragama. Pendahuluan dakwah melalui media sosial merupakan fenomena yang semakin dominan dalam pendidikan agama Islam, terutama dengan meningkatkan kesadaran beragama di kalangan generasi muda. Penggunaan media sosial dalam dakwah kemungkinan informasi menyebar dengan cepat, tetapi terdapat resiko pesan dakwah dapat terdistorsi oleh logika media yang tidak selalu sejalan dengan nilai-nilai Islam. Analysis the effectiveness of social media in preaching also involves understanding this median influencer and social relations. The social media apps are vital role in increasing the relevance and accessibility of preaching in the context of Islamic religious education. The main challenge of preaching through social media is maintaining integrity and consistency of Islamic teachings. Our strategy that be inspired in strict contact and interchanging as relevant thus the audience will education deems as both Islamic French in indication in it is important to indulge preaching output to a share of social media. The challenge in using social media also evolve. This response of sociology do debate changes in being carried out. Menganalisis efektivitas media sosial dalam dakwah juga melibatkan pemahaman pengaruh media terhadap khalayak. Dalam konteks pendidikan agama Islam, tantangan utama dakwah melalui media sosial dakwah adalah menjaga integrasi dan substansi ajaran Islam. Salah satu strategi yang dapat diterapkan adalah menciptakan konten yang menarik dan relevan bagi khalayak yang lebih besar. Kita membahas potensi dakwah melalui media sosial penting juga untuk mempertimbangkan tanggung jawab yang menyertai kapasitasnya yang luar biasa. Tantangan dalam penggunaan media sosial juga mencakup respon masyarakat terhadap dakwah yang disampaikan. Further reaching of the effectiveness dakwah through social media is needed to avoid such their parameter. Instead to using measures such as with a holistic approach, their prioritization education, technology, and aspect dakwah through social media fit not only effective in racial religious awareness, but also in creating and through community. Dakwah advocates positive Islamic values. Dakwah through social media in Islamic religious education faces various complex challenges. This preaching is hugely ungracious. Social media has become an integral part of modern society. Penelitian lebih lanjut tentang efektivitas dakwah melalui media sosial diperlukan untuk memahami parameter yang dapat digunakan untuk mengukur keberhasilan. Oleh karena itu, sangat penting bahwa semua upaya dakwah diperkuat dengan komitmen untuk mendidik masyarakat tentang pentingnya menyaring informasi di era digital. Penelitian ini sangat mendesak karena media sosial telah menjadi bagian yang terpisahkan dari masyarakat modern. Research methods. This research also a library research type literature study with aims to collect analysis and interpretation theory data relevant to their creation topic. The primary data source is this study with books, scientific journalist article and research report related to dakwah through social media, Islamic religious education, and religious awareness. Data collection the next were conducted by searching and collecting relevant witnesses from various academic databases, digital libraries, and library catalogs, radios, social networks, and social media dakwah. Islamic religious education. Data analysis. The study warrants on housing and educative sociality are appropriate. The context data was the colonies based on emerging themes such as the effectiveness of social media created. To test and validity of the data, researchers also showed the regular language. Penelitian ini menggunakan jenis penelitian kepustakaan studi pustaka yang bertujuan untuk mengumpulkan, menganalisis, dan menginterpretasikan penelitian data sekunder yang relevan dengan topik penelitian. Sumber data primer dalam penelitian ini adalah buku, artikel jurnal ilmiah, dan laporan penelitian terkait dakwah melalui media sosial, pendidikan agama Islam, dan kesadaran beragama. Ritual and discussion the effectiveness of dakwah through social media increasing religious awareness in the context Islamic religious education. Reaching shows the presence through social media is significantly effective in raising religious awareness, especially the younger generation. This creates social media platforms such as TikTok and result in conveying the message of dakwah and further and acute audience. Furthermore, and study muslimah and Taufik sure that the article can integrate religious issues among students. No less important on her media and Instagram also provide space on conveying dakwah. Hasil dan pembahasan efektivitas dakwah melalui media sosial dalam meningkatkan kesadaran beragama dalam konteks pendidikan agama Islam. Platform media sosial seperti IG, YouTube, TikTok kemungkinan menyampaikan pesan-pesan keagama secara interaktif, menarik, dan mudah diakses. Not famous as social media today, would listed that radio as a communication medium is still relevant for a different Islamic teaching, offering different approach in approaching our audience. From an Islamic education perspective, the effectiveness of dakwah through social media lies in the accessibility, the younger generation is often in the creative religions learning process. In the campus contact and dakwah program, it means that students let us be adapted beyond television, social media, and influence technology and attracts their interest and involvement. Be effective effective strategies of optimism, the use of social media in Islamic religious education, preaching in the Christian religious awareness through optimization of social media. Preaching are fairly effective strategies can be effectively. Dakwah contact must be direct to judge characteristics or audience effectively. The younger generation using aging formats show and videos, podcast, and messages. Dalam konteks kampus, program dakwah yang ditunjukkan kepada mahasiswa perlu diadaptasi dengan pemanfaatan media sosial dan teknologi informasi. Strategi efektif optimalisasi pemanfaatan media sosial dalam dakwah pendidikan agama Islam untuk meningkatkan kesadaran beragama. Pertama, konten dakwah harus sesuaikan dengan karakteristik khalayak, seperti mengadakan podcast, two opportunities the social media in Islamic religious education. It is important to formulate strategies as the effectiveness and the level to effectuating social context. One advantage can be used the use of social media as a learning support tool. Improvement in religious moderation-based education could be another strategy to encourage religious awareness and study. Yet the will training as grounded for Islamic preaching on the use of social media. Its arts marketing content is also very important in order to ensure and effectiveness on this strategy. Continuous effectivity on the impact on the use of social media in Islamic religious education preaching is needed. Untuk mengoptimalkan penggunaan media sosial dalam pendidikan agama Islam, penerapan pendidikan berbasis moderasi beragama dapat menjadi strategi lain untuk meningkatkan kesadaran beragama siswa. Behavioral online also needs to be focused education of digital and in person on only from educational institutions. Also from religious leaders who studied the importance of religious moderation of media social. Key challenge first in using social media as a medium of dakwah in Islamic religious education. Social media has great potential. Religious educators several challenges in its use as a medium of dakwah. This issue of social media and smash of preaching in Islamic religious education in Indonesia faces a really complex challenge. In their series Kusumatsuti et al. Indicated the one and the main challenge in the likes to collegiate about entities among social media, using effort younger generation. On the other hand, Hamdi et al. Underscores the importance of releasing the message of religious moderation on social media. Perilaku daring juga perlu menjadi fokus pendidikan tentang etika digital diharapkan untuk tidak hanya dari lembaga pendidikan. Tantangan yang dihadapi dalam pemanfaatan media sosial sebagai sarana dakwah Islam pendidikan agama. Meskipun media sosial memiliki potensi yang besar, penelitian mengidentifikasikan beberapa tantangannya dalam penggunaan sebagai sarana dakwah. Di sisi lain, Hamdi dan kawan-kawan menggarisbawahi pentingnya menghidupkan kembali pesan moderasi beragama di media sosial. Often exploit this platform for their off-gain means will Sharif and appreciate the interactive exchange through social media can make a significant contributions of the digital Delivered Solomet, the younger generation. As social media using almost study in villages, educational institutes are embedded to develop management strategies and education monitor using its an education study. About your negative impact of social media. So, the issue of social media in Islamic religious education in Indonesia great of potential but also Francis Charles that musibah of come together. Conclusion. Fundamental findings. The shooting out that was to social media in a effective medium for increasing religious awareness, particularly among the younger generation, were supported by creative and interactive content as digital conferences or branches. Seringkali platform-platform ini dimanfaatkan untuk keuntungan pribadi. Oleh karena itu, pemanfaatan media sosial dalam pendidikan agama Islam di Indonesia memiliki potensi besar tetapi juga menghadapi tantangan yang harus diatasi bersama kesimpulan. Kesimpulan temuan fundamentasi penelitian dan ini menyimpulkan bahwa dakwah melalui media sosial adalah media yang efektif untuk meningkatkan kesadaran beragama terutama di kalangan generasi muda.